My name is Arnab from class 4, North West Computer Question. My first question basic translation is, what is the color of our feet? What is the right answer? My second question goes to class LKG. What is the color of leaves? Green is the right answer. My third question goes to class UKG. Who is known as the father of nature?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi is the right answer. My fourth question goes to class 1. How many states in India? 28 is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 2. How many sides are there in shape 2? Square. I repeat my question. How many sides are there in shape square? 4 sides is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 3. Which wood or tree is made cricket bat? I repeat my question. Which wood or tree is made cricket bat? Willow tree is the right answer. My seventh question goes to class 4. Which member is used to make maja? Alphabet is the right answer. My eighth question goes to class 5. What is the famous dance of Punjab? I repeat my question. What is the famous dance of Punjab? This question passes to class 6 to 7.
भांगड़ा कौन सा है? भांगड़ा कौन सा है?
Bangla.
जोर से
Bangla is the right answer. My next question goes to class 6. Taj Mahal is located in which state?
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh is the right answer. My next question goes to class 7. Which city is widely regarded as the cultural capital of India? I repeat my question. Which city is widely regarded as the cultural capital of India? This question passes to class 7 to 9. New Delhi is the right answer. Kolkata is the right answer. This city is also famous as the heart of the Bollywood film industry. I repeat my question. This city is also famous as the heart of the Bollywood film industry. Mumbai is the right answer. My 12th question goes to class 9. What is the national game of Brazil? I repeat my question. What is the national game of Brazil? One to 9. Football is the right answer. My 13th question goes to class 1 to 9. What is the full form of Anand?
Anand Milk Union Limited.
Anand Milk Union Limited is the right answer. Then